Welcome to Carbon Flush. Carbon deposits and soot buildup in all petrol or diesel engines, often caused by stop-start city driving. This creates obstructions over time within the internal parts of the engine. These carbon buildups cannot be easily detected by an outside inspection of the engine. If carbon is left unattended, it can cause engine failure and a costly repair bill. Carbon Flush utilizes the latest technology in rendering its carbon cleaning service, which is suitable for all vehicle engines, petrol or diesel, in line with best practice and international leading industry standards. You might have experienced the result of carbon buildup, where your vehicle feels like it's lost power or is underperforming. You might also have noticed your fuel consumption has gradually increased. You could also experience misfiring, detonation, rough idling, engine noise or vibration, and difficulty starting, especially when the engine is cold. You may also have noticed excessive smoke from startup. These are all symptoms of carbon buildup. That is where we at Carbon Flush can assist you in cleaning the inside part of the engine, which are prone to carbon buildup by means of a carbon flush. The process is non-intrusive, as we don't need to dismantle any part of the engine. It will take approximately 40 minutes to complete. By being proactive, removing carbon and soot can restore lost performance, lower emissions, revive fuel economy, reduce engine noise or vibrations, and eliminate excessive exhaust smoke caused by carbon or soot within the engine. For more information, visit our website.